27 seconds remaining. Sabay pumaltos agad, 14 ng sugod at ang bola babalik, 14 ng Bougainvillea. Layup for 2 points, good for 2 points, 14 ng sugod. 6 minutes and 12 seconds remaining time for the opening period. Score po natin, 2-0 in favor team ng sugod. Kay Bougainvillea, matibay na kupunan at galing din po sa panalo, mga kaibigan ng magkabilang team. Kaya power putback for Team Bougainvillea sa biyahe. First quarter, 3 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Deuterio 27 seconds remaining. Deuterio jumper Iki on Divilla Saddam. Good po na unang yugto ng paglalaro itong team ng team ng magkabilang for Interpurok basketball, good for 2 points by Pacanya. 1 minute and 55. Batoy wide open, the cross court shot for 3. Lugod by Batoy. Cacho for the rebound and putback. Bingo! In the 2 points pocket. Just a minute and 37 seconds to it for this opening frame. A barrel jumper for 2. Opening frame. A barrel jumper for 2. Get that 2 points out, may ara pangapaw. Bakit pa kanya 14 ng sugod. Ibaba tayo sa 23 seconds ng ating first quarter. Deuterio inside for headshot, 2-pointers. Dalawang yugto ng ating bakbakan kung saan nakasalang pa rin ang mainit-init na bakbakan na nagaganap. Sugod laban sa team ng Bougainvillea. Outside jumper, Paulino. Boom! Minutes and 14 seconds on the shot clock. Barry looking for space, in that space is enough to make another 2-pointer. Yun naging the best shot from a barrel from the long pista from the short D-runner. But di Dario yung hindi kasama o hindi na binigay kay Fernando Selibaco Romano in Pacanya inside going for Pega. Yung Pega na hindi rin natin nakasama for the opening quarter, magpapakilala na. Sabi ng Pega, pasa kay Fernando lumusot inside. Tamayo Selibaco for Fernando. Bingo! Tinirahan harap-harapan, ginawang sipatan. Team ng mga tropang Bougainvillea, huli ng Abaril number 45 jumper. Huli ng Abaril number 45 jumper. Abaril, 2-pointers again. Palapit ng palapit yan, maganda at maiging opensiba at depensa. Abaril humahanap ng space, binigay kay Pacanya the shooter. Here's the team captain, puts it up for 2 points. Nothing but net, punet, good for 2 points. 18 against the Piet, but Ismail napangiti na lamang after he missed the jumper. Escobar ang dadali. Daling down for the second period. 18 against 21 score. 3 points ang abati ng Bougainvillea laban sa tinasugod. Jumper from the paint. In and out. Good for 2 points by the Manila, yung team ng Santan na hanggang ngayon wala pa pong natitingmang pagkapanalo sa ating torneo. But we run 2-pointers. Titingnan si remaining time for the third period. Wirada number 11 jumper for 2 points basketball count. Wirada number 11 jumper for 2 points basketball count at may kasama pang foul. Lamang po ng patuloy ng 10 puntos ang Bougainvillea laban sa tinasugod. Jumper by Paulino, 2-pointers. Nadagdagan na naman yung problema. 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining time for the third period ng ating ball game. Tuloy-tuloy pong nananalasa ang bagyong Bougainvillea. At aagawin pa mga kaibigan na mataga Bougainvillea yung bola laban sa tinasugod. Batoy, 2-pointers again. Third quarter, ganda ng pihit. Deuterio may tanga na bola. Send back to his teammate. Jumper! Bang! 2-pointers! Nadagdagan yung sakit ng nangyayari twice to beat advantage. Okay, back to the ball game. Last in the final quarter is now underway. Good for 2 points by Abaril. Okay, magandang paninimula for 5 seconds on the shot clock. 37-32 shot clock down to 3. Matatawagan ng traveling violation for Team Sugod. Okay, 37-22, 15 points. Malinlin, sasabit pa rin. Good for 2 points. Harassing by Abaril, connecting 2 points by Malinlin, but Abaril babawi rin. Good for 2 points. Connecting 2 points by Malinlin, but Abaril babawi rin. Good for 2 points. At ng oras, may tahan na bola, hinaharas, dalawang defender laban kay Abaril. Romano nakalusot sa depensang Bagluyan. Good for 2 points by Rumba dito sa team ng Sugod with 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time from the strong corner. Patay na naman sila doon. Good for 2 points. Sinimplihan lang ng Malindin. Here we go for Malindin. Going for Leuterio. Bagluyan. Bibigyan muli sa ating rim. Bang! By Magluyan. 44-27.